Look at that fall. I mean, water thing. Something. Well, hey, it's Brock, and I'm about to, and I'm gonna fish. I'm gonna fish here.
Brock.
What?
You got one.
Oh, you got one?
Whoa, yeah, I got one! Oh, I got one! I got one! Woo! I got one!
Oh, can you tell that to the camera?
Yes, I got one!
Can you show it to the camera?
Let me hold it, Dad. Wipe it. Woo! Gee, that's slippery. I got fish. I got fish.
A fish?
Yeah, I got
You got a fish?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you show it to the camera?
Wait, bud.
Oh, man. No, man.
Oh, he got away. He got away.
How do you then got that?
Oh, the hook broke.
You just turned off the hook?
Off the Kahoozle.
Go. Now that is a run.
Well, he had a fish. And bye for now, YouTube.
Oh, come on.
Bye.
Okay.
I need to catch that fish again.